Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to convert WebP file to JPG file. So let's go to the tutorial. It's my WebP file. Now I want to see this file. Well, actually this file what is about. So just double click on this file, and if I want to see this file, what is the actual object this file contains, I have to use my browser. I will open this file with Google Chrome and just click on the OK. Yes, here's my main image, and now I want to convert this image into JPG image. So what should I do? To convert WebP file to JPG file, I will not use any software. By using this website, I can easily convert WebP file to JPG file. Just click on the choose files, and from my desktop I will select my WebP file here. Here's my WebP file, and that means is HTML document. Just click on this file, and it's a WebP file, and I want to convert this file into JPG. Here it's my image option, and just click on the JPG, and then click on the convert option. Please wait for some moments. I have successfully converted my WebP file to JPG file, and now it's ready to download. Just click on the download button. My download has completed, and now I will go to my download folder. It's my main file, which was the WebP file, and now it is JPG. Its extension is .jpg. So it's a tutorial how to convert WebP file to JPG file. Thanks everyone.